I have watched this long video and will summarize it for you so you can decide if you want to watch it too with the link in the description. Please like and subscribe. Tom welcomed Alex Hormozi, an entrepreneur focused on scaling businesses, to discuss key traits and skills necessary for success. Alex emphasized choosing one core focus rather than pursuing many opportunities. He recommended picking one target customer, product, and marketing channel. Consistently create content, advertise, and directly sell to steadily gain skills. Alex identified advertising and selling as fundamental skills. Advertising means communicating what you offer, while selling convinces customers to purchase. He introduced the rule of 100 for guaranteed success. Choose 100 primary actions daily over 100 days, like minutes of content, sales outreaches, or ad spend. This drives rapid skill development, though initial failure helps gain perspective to later succeed. They explored why fear stops action. Despite awareness, more effort is logically needed. People desire but resist short-term sacrifice, enabling long-term achievements. Alex once felt like a sinking ship but refocused on directly selling services for income. Skills transcended assets lost. Persistence leads to discovering effective business models. Great content resonates by articulating unspoken truths or revealing faulty beliefs. Alex helps companies overcome staff's limiting assumptions. Core traits of the highly successful are superiority and crippling insecurity, balanced by impulse control. Alex let surpassing his dad's success define happiness, but found respect constantly moved. He now enjoys life's spectrum between joy and pain. Mastering sales conversations means clearly communicating the agenda, gaining agreement, and guiding empowered decisions. Alex normalizes discomfort to build confidence. With repetition, skills develop until excellence becomes unreasonable to doubt. Transitioning to selling services spawned Alex's success after years of scattered efforts. Sustained focus was key. Alex invests in leaders hampered by skills, beliefs, or traits. Repetition develops skills quickly. Veteran entrepreneurs pass lessons, shortening others' paths. Beliefs transform through better stories, replacing assumptions. Alex credits boosts from veteran and grandfather frames, raising perspective above obstacles. Tom admires Alex's authenticity, making his advice credible, and selling style non-manipulative. Alex builds trust by adding value through decision clarity. He guides people confronting internal excuses, masking true priorities. Victim mentalities worsen problems, so people must own circumstances and control the controllable. This philosophy has profoundly impacted Alex's life and business. Human experience comprises joy and pain. By appreciating life's full spectrum, Alex progressed from seeking happiness to feeling occasional joy. He focuses on executing actions associated with desired outcomes rather than mood. Alex believes meaning underlies emotions, so reframing thoughts shapes feelings more than conditions. Shared wisdom may speed success for the next generation. Human ambition has a Sisyphean quality, seeking gratification but finding fulfillment in audacious goals, requiring relentless drive. Alex competes honorably to raise standards while appreciating pioneers, enabling his accelerated success. For fulfillment, he aims beyond achievement. Ultimate self-judgment resides in one's self-perception, apart from circumstances or results which fade. Life's uncertainties require avoiding self-worth linkage with transient things. That's all for this summary. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, set the notification, and drop me a comment. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.